也来为着要互目睭看无的人，买当感受世界有名的图。英国即马有一个目睭看无的更琴家，伊就找专业的音乐真师，替世界名画打造属于700位的音乐甲声音。所以呢，亲像达文西的蒙娜丽莎700图，即马嘛会当用听的。
英国时装更琴兼作曲家戈德因为环保病变受到损伤，伊用这叫做故作之声的音乐想法，是因为家己伫欣赏画时阵无法度看甲正清楚。
When I go to art museums, I can get a broad sense of what a painting looks like, but I don't see a huge amount of detail. I struggle quite a lot.
戈德找英国 BBC 下开音乐创作团队、新广播音乐工作室合作，佮结合杜比音效传调技术，透过音乐甲特效、视觉因感觉的艺术元素，成做用听的名画，亲像达文西的作品《蒙娜丽莎》。不过，戈德感觉受感觉的是莫内印象派为水莲花。
We thought it would be fun to use the notes and then turn them all into water drops, but retain the pitch of them.
柔和梦幻的琴声配合水波音律，要彰显印象派画平静甲柔美。另外，孟克的作品《大画》是透过震动琴声，营造焦虑的气氛。
I made all the elements constantly wave back and forward, so everything felt unstable and wobbly and like curved like the paint did. And it's really amazing to have the opportunity to be in dialogue with this incredible iconic piece of work.
用全新角度欣赏和理解100画，对于所有人来讲，拢是一种全新的体验。这个活动收集也全部关乎英国皇家钢琴协会。
And once people experience this and kind of build their own understanding of what it means, I think it will fuel interest and excitement in.
透过传谣音效科技，人亲像被包围伫一个无形的3D 音场当中，人甲艺术品之间亲像加一个新的连接。公司新闻，红如梅朋友。